Welcome! In this demonstration video, we're going to look at how Avonite's Web Data Control can reduce the data footprint that Chrome extensions generate within a user's profile. Web Data Management allows administrators to control which extensions and locales are retained between sessions. Web Data Management is easily configured using group policy. First, you will need a valid Web Data Control license. I have one already pre-configured in this environment. Next, you will need to enable Web Data Management within the notification service. You will then need to configure the relevant extension removal policies, which can be found under the Chrome folder of Web Data Management. Next, you will need to configure which extensions should be removed or retained. In this example, we will retain the AdBlock extension and remove all other extensions by selecting the whitelist option. To remove Chrome extension locales, we will enable the policy and specify the locales we would like to keep. In this example, we only want to keep the English locales. This is achieved by entering the wildcard EN. In addition, the default locale for the extension will always be retained. Now that the configuration is set up, I will log on as my test user so we can see this in action. If we launch Chrome, we can see that I have the AdBlock, Grammarly, and IE tab extensions already installed. By navigating to the test user's Chrome profile directory, we can see the various extensions that have been installed. Each extension is defined by its own unique identification. In this example, I know that my AdBlock extension starts with GIG. The IE tab extension starts with HEH, and the Grammarly extension starts with KBF. The remaining folders are for default extensions that Chrome installs automatically. If we check the folder properties of all the extensions, you will see that they include 628 files and take up approximately 44 megabytes of disk space. Looking at the AdBlock extension, for example, we can see that there are 80 different locales, which means there are 80 files on the disk, most of which are redundant. Because Web Data Management executes during logoff, we will have to log off our test user for the cleanup process to occur. Now that we have logged back in, we can see that the Chrome profile contains only the AdBlock extension and that the extension footprint has been reduced to approximately 7 megabytes and 236 files. In the locales folder, we see that only the EN-GB and EN-US locales have been retained. Finally, by launching Chrome, we can see that the AdBlock extension is the only remaining extension, and the other extensions have been removed successfully. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration video. You can find out more information by visiting the Avonite website or contacting us via email or telephone.